Kill Mario. Kill Mario. Kill Mario with Sonic fans. Kill Mario with Sonic fans. Mario's gonna get killed. 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 Mario. Kill Mario. Kill Mario again. Mario's gonna get killed. Mario's gonna get killed. Mario's gonna get killed. Kill Mario. Kill Mario again. Kill Mario. Kill Mario with Sonic fans. Mario's gonna get killed. 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 See, I feel like a Sonic fan when Sonic is weak. I've been knocked aside your Mario boss because he is homeless. I would eat your names if you was a Mario fan. I wish I could eat your Mario toys that fly up right next to you. Hey, wait, I think you're a big Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're a big Mario fan. Hey, wait, I think you're a big Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're a Mario fan. Your device. Singing noise when I could read. Mario is gonna get killed like my box. Mario is the ugliest character in history. Yeah, I wish I could eat my toys right next to you and fly up right next to you and have a big smile on my face. Hey, wait, I think you'll be Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're a big Mario fan. Wait, I think you're a big Mario fan. Get out of my face because you're a big Mario fan. Hey, wait, I think you're a big Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're a big Mario fan. You're the fies. You're the fies. See eyes me like a Sonic fan when Sonic is weak. I've been inside your Mario box, guess he is homeless. I could cross with Mario with a Sonic toy because he is that weak. I wish I could eat your Mario toys that fall up right next to you. Hey, wait, I think you're ugly Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're ugly Mario fan. Hey, wait, I think you're ugly Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're ugly Mario fan. Hey, wait, I think you're a Mario fan. Get out of my house because you're an ugly Mario fan. You're the flies. You're the flies. You're the flies. You're the flies. They draw me off Sonic House. They fed me some mashed potatoes and lollipops. And they said, lollipops, what's the Sonic? Sonic, take me home. 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 They fed me some kitty dogs. They had some lollipops. And they keep giving me some. But I say Sonic! Sonic, take me home! Sonic, take me home! Sonic! No! Sonic! Sonic! No! Sonic. No.